It's easier than you think. I'll show you how. For verifying your identity and bank is an essential step to ensure the security of your account. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Bunq. Begin by downloading the Bunq app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Start the verification process. Log into your bank account and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Verify Identity and select it to begin the verification process. Step 3. Provide personal information. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure to enter accurate details as they will be used for verification. Step 4. Upload identification documents. Prepare to upload a valid form of ID, such as a passport or national ID card. Follow the app's instructions to take clear photos of the document and submit them for review. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, wait for Bunq to review your application. You will receive a notification once your identity has been verified, which may take a few minutes or a few hours. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity and Bunq. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bunq's customer support for assistance.